Multiplying two-digit number by one digit mentally. For example, you have 42 times 6. Simple. Two-digit number as a unit and a tens. So what do? Break these out into tens and unit, because what this means in your head is that you have 6 times 40, that's 240, plus 6 times 2, that's 12. It's easy to add these together because then we have 252. Another example, you have 63 multiplied by 5. This means we have 60 times 5, which equals to 300, multiplied plus 3 times 5, which equals to 15. So I have a 300 and a 15. That's 315. So while multiplying two-digit numbers by a single digit, break it up into the tens and the unit. And that's